For beginners, setting up a smart home network might be challenging. Still, with a few Homekit gadgets, like those made by Aqara, you can get going relatively quickly. A smart home is something that many tech enthusiasts envision having, filled with automated gadgets that may simplify living. Apple's Homekit framework links and controls devices across the house so they can cooperate, making that a reality. Despite the potential ease of creating a smart home, taking the initial step can be difficult. The market is flooded with cutting-edge home goods, which can be perplexing. The first step of deciding where to start working out can be significantly simplified with help from Aqara's collection of smart home accessories. A central camera hub. The first thing to consider is adding a hub to your network so that HomeKit devices can communicate with each other in the first place. Although HomeKit requires an Apple TV, HomePod, or iPad to be utilized as the home hub, you may want to add other hubs afterwards. Device ecosystems may occasionally connect to HomeKit through a different hub. Since you are working inside that more constrained platform rather than the larger HomeKit framework, which can offer several efficiencies, this can make integrating that manufacturer's gear into the intelligent home simpler. The Aqara Camera Hub G3 is a fantastic option among the several hubs that Aqara manufactures. In addition to serving as a hub for other Aqara smart home devices to connect to the HomeKit network, it also functions as a camera on its own. With a lens that can see at 110 degrees and a motorized base that allows it to be moved about, the G3 can provide comprehensive surveillance of an area by providing a vision that encompasses the full 360 degrees. You are able to see the feed by using the companion app for Aqara even as it is being kept and safeguarded within iCloud utilizing HomeKit Secure Video. The capability of a device to recognize faces and motions enables it to activate notifications and other home automation, as well as record videos for storage on HomeKit Secure Video. While HomeKit only supports videos in 1080p resolution, the Camera Hub G3 is capable of more because of its sensor's resolution of 2304 by 1296. This resolution can be viewed in 1296p through the Aqara app. A compatible device is able to receive video data through the use of its USB Type-C connector. Because it acts as a hub for Aqara devices, it necessitates a more sophisticated level of communication than its built-in dual-band Wi-Fi can provide. It has a built-in Zigbee 3.0 hub, which enables it to link to as many as 128 additional Aqara devices. This makes it possible to set up a big smart home network. Suppose, though, you don't want to utilize HomeKit. In that case, you may still use the Camera Hub G3 with other services such as Google Assistant, IFTTT, Yandex Alice, Amazon's Alexa, and Alexa from Amazon. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment saying I subscribed. I'll personally reply to your comment. Expanding outward. After you have installed the Camera Hub G3 or another Aqara hub, you can begin expanding the network by adding more components. There is a wide variety of choices available to you. Still, you ought to get started with the options that are more fundamental and may be reached right away. This includes the seemingly insignificant smart plug, which is a gadget that may be used to operate other devices such as a fan, a light, or even tiny appliances. With the correct automation, this has the potential to be utilized to great effect. For example, you might transform a regular coffee maker into a smart one by programming it to switch on and prepare a fresh pot of coffee for you just after you get out of bed in the morning. Another form of sensor that is absolutely necessary can detect leaks, such as the water leak sensor that Aqara offers. You could put this beneath a sink or in the basement to check for leaks. Still, a more useful application would be to alert you when a bathtub is about to overflow with water. A leaky sink that goes untreated for an extended period could result in expenses reaching several $1,000s. The Aqara temperature and humidity sensor might also be an excellent suggestion, particularly for new parents who are interested in monitoring the air quality in their infant's bedroom or nursery. This kind of sensor might also be used to regulate the temperature of a room, such as by activating a heater or air conditioner when the temperature in the room becomes uncomfortably cold or warm, respectively. Although they are most commonly used in security applications, motion sensors can also be helpful in several other contexts too. For example, they can trigger an alarm if they detect motion that is out of the ordinary in a certain area. The same detection might be used to assist in the programming of automation that turn lights on and off throughout a home based on the location of individuals at any one time. The Aqara motion sensor is an excellent example because its compact size enables it to still provide a range of up to 22 feet and a viewing angle of 170 degrees. In addition, it comes with a compact stand, providing you with even more mounting possibilities than before. Then there are touch sensors, which are very well known for their use in security, but also have uses in the smart home. Installing touch sensors on doors and windows could allow for more intelligent operation of an air conditioning system. This would result in cost savings because energy would not be wasted if a window was left open. App management and privacy. Aqara just upgraded the software for its Aqara Home app, which is used in conjunction with Apple's Homekit to configure and monitor the connected devices. A fully customizable and completely new dashboard is now available in version 3.0. This will allow you to display the devices that you operate the most frequently. If you use an iPad, there is now a horizontal mode that you can switch to, which will allow you to see even more of your smart home network on a single screen. The app's overall design has been improved thanks to the inclusion of new backgrounds and icons. It may take some time for products to receive certification for usage with HomeKit because this smart home framework strongly emphasizes protecting users' privacy. While some manufacturers may take longer to support HomeKit, Aqara prioritizes protecting users' privacy across its whole ecosystem. This involves receiving complete certification for their respective platforms from Apple, Google, and Amazon. Also, there is compatibility with WPA3 Wi-Fi, which is the most secure variant of the networking standard. This ensures that communication carried out over a home network is shielded from prying eyes. In order to provide further peace of mind, the data streams coming from Aqara devices are all encrypted. The G3 camera hub also includes a physical masking mode, which is a hardware privacy protection mode that can be manually or automatically enabled. When it is active, the device displays an image of a sleeping face to show that the mode is active. Plenty of options from a solid foundation. The proliferation of smart home devices on the market makes it difficult and baffling even to plan out the network for a smart home. You, too, can make your home incredibly intelligent by beginning with a reliable foundation, such as the Camera Hub G3, and expanding from there with simple sensors and various forms of intelligent automation. All of this may be done without compromising your privacy. Add your thoughts on the best segment of this video if you want to see more creative ways to automate your house. As part of the promotion known as Amazon's Today's Offers, Aqara on Amazon is providing customers with a discount of 20% off the Camera Hub. What do you think of the video? Let us know about your favorite part of the video in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more home automation videos, subscribe and leave a comment saying I subscribed. I will personally reply to your comment. See you next time. Thanks for watching.